I have these balusters. This is a metal aluminum tube, and it's about 26 inches long. And we are going to install these on our front porch. I picked these up at Lowe's. They still seem to have a bunch, so I went ahead and went with it. And we do it similar to what's on the box there. We just use pressure treated 2x4s and put the railing on. In order to do that, you have to have these little things, these little, what do you call them? Baluster holders. They go in the end of the tube here. And what you do is you screw them down with a screw, goes through the middle there, and then they go into the board. And there's one on the top board and one on the bottom board, and that's how you secure them. And then when you put them on, you use these end caps, at least I do anyway, so it better holds them in place, and you have one on each end of the 2x4. And then you put one on the bottom board, and then you turn them upside down and put them like this. I'll try to make a video and showing what I did.